If you run HVAC, plumbing, pest control, or any mobile crew, you're managing a fleet. But without the right fleet systems in place, you're burning money, missing jobs, and falling behind. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 systems that help field service teams cut costs, complete more jobs, and avoid problems that slow you down. Number 1, fleet management is how you organize everything that happens on the road. It helps you monitor vehicles, plan jobs, coach drivers, and catch maintenance issues before they become costly. It's how service businesses take control of their day-to-day without guessing. For example, a pest control company was able to cut idling significantly with optimized fleet management. Its best driver cut idle time by 99.5%, and its most improved branch saw a decrease of 87%. Number 2, real-time tracking is the foundation of fleet success. If you don't know where your vehicles are, how long your jobs take, or which stops are delayed, you're reacting instead of managing. With real-time visibility, you can reduce calls, make faster decisions, and keep jobs on schedule. For example, a plumbing company using Geotab reduced check-in calls by 60% because dispatch could see where every vehicle was without picking up the phone. Number 3, smarter, optimized routing saves time and reduced costs. If dispatching is manual, you waste fuel, hit overtime, and miss opportunities for that next job. When routing is optimized, you get more done without overloading your team. For example, a commercial cleaning company used Geotab to plan tighter routes and were able to fit in 2 more stops per day. That turned into thousands in new revenue without hiring more staff. Number 4, monitoring driver behavior helps you prevent collisions and cut down on insurance claims. One risky driver can cause major damage or delay, and if you're not tracking it, you won't catch it in time. Fleet systems help you flag things like speeding or harsh braking so you can coach your drivers and protect your team and your brand on the road. For example, a regional HVAC company saw collision rates drops by over 45% after they started using driver behavior reports to coach their teams. Number 5, predictive maintenance helps you keep your vehicles on the road and jobs on time. When a truck breaks down, it's not just the repair cost. It's missed appointments, rescheduling, and more pressure on the rest of your team. Fleet data helps you spot engine issues early before they turn into downtime. For example, one landscaping company used Geotab to detect early engine trouble and avoided $15,000 in repairs and rental fees in just 1 quarter. Number 6, what metrics should you track to improve fleet performance? If you're not tracking idle time, fuel use, job duration, or vehicle health, you're flying blind. You can't improve what you don't measure. But once you start tracking those numbers, patterns emerge. That's when you can take action that actually moves the needle. For example, one field service company found they were losing $500 per vehicle every month just from idling time. They fixed that with a simple report and a 5-minute conversation with their team. Tracking doesn't just give you data, it gives you control. Let's break down what kind of ROI you can expect from GPS fleet management. When field service teams track vehicles and use that data to make decisions, the numbers speak for themselves. Fuel savings between 10% up to 80% fewer collisions, around 50% fewer insurance claims, and most fleets see a full ROI in less than 12 months. Here's one example. A national field service business saved $50,000 in fuel in just 3 months. The only change? They tracked idling and coach their teams to reduce it. These results aren't hypothetical. They come from real data and real fleets using the system daily. Here's why fleet management works for fleets of any size. From small field service teams to nationwide operations, the same problems show up. Whether you manage 5 vehicles or 500, you're likely dealing with fuel wasted from idling time, jobs delayed by poor dispatch, breakdowns that could have been prevented, risky driving habits, and teams stretched thin trying to manage it all manually. Fleet management gives you the tools to solve those issues, no matter your size. With the right platform, you can track real-time vehicle data, optimize routes and schedule, detect maintenance issues before they become a problem, improve driver safety with behavior-based coaching, and complete more jobs each day with less stress. Geotab supports field service fleets of all sizes with the data and the tools that help them reduce costs and run more efficiently.